Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making fried apple pie. You will need 4 Granny Smith apples, frozen pie crust or puff pastry, vegetable oil, 6 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of butter, 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Peel your apples, then cut them into small pieces, and then set them aside until later. In a saucepan, add the butter. Now add the apples, then the apple cider vinegar. Add the brown sugar, cinnamon, allspice, and nutmeg and mix well. Now cook the apples on medium-high heat and continue to cook until your liquid has reduced to a syrup-like consistency. Remove the apples from the heat, then set them aside. If you are not familiar with rolling and compressing puff pastry, I highly recommend you use the frozen pie crust instead. Form the dough into a 10 by 12 inch rectangle. Now divide it into 3 10-inch strips. Place the apple mixture on one end of each strip, then fold over to form your pie. Firmly compress the edges to seal, then remove the excess dough. Heat the oil to 350 degrees, then fry the pies until they are golden brown. These pies are quick and easy. I hope you give them a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel, where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. At Soul Food Cooking class, you will learn to grasp how to make great food with steps made for you.